Helping make the future full of awesome grown-ups. That's what the Bike Cops for Kids does. We hit some of the tougher neighborhoods in Minneapolis and connect with kids. We can set up lemonade stands spontaneously, ice cream stands, basketball games. This is a new addition to our Bike Cops for Kids program. We can do bike repairs in it for kids, hand out water bottles, helmets. We've got a fridge and freezer for ice cream and lemonade. Speaking of ice cream, hey, can I get an ice cream sandwich, please?
Colleen, can we get an ice cream sandwich for the officer?
Of course, Officer Mike.
Great, thank you. You know, we're Bike Cops for Kids. We love having fun with kids all over the city. And we like having fun with ourselves. Oh, all right. You know, I'm Officer Mike with the Bike Cops for Kids Minneapolis Police. I may have a bad wing. That's just for a while. We're going to have a lot of fun this summer. Come on out. You're personally invited to Lucy Laney, 3333 Penn Avenue North, next Wednesday, May 11th at 11 a.m. Come on out and see this truck. It's the first one of its kind in the whole country. You're personally invited. Come out and see this truck. It's beautiful. Thanks.